Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up your Raspberry Pi. Here is what we need: a Raspberry Pi, 5V 3A charger with micro USB cable, a pair of mouse and keyboard, an SD memory card with its adapter, and if you are using VGA monitor, an HDMI to VGA converter. If you are using an HDMI monitor, you don't need the converter and an HDMI cable would be enough. I'm gonna download the Raspberry Pi imager from the Raspberry Pi software section and install it. Now insert the SD memory card and open the Pi imager. Here choose your storage. In operating system selection, if you want to download it online, choose this option, or if you have downloaded already in your computer, choose this option and select the image file. Now press right. It took about 10 minutes and it's done. Now let's remove the SD card and insert it to the Raspberry Pi. Remove the micro SD card and insert it to its slot. Insert also the dongle of mouse and keyboard. Insert the HDMI. And finally apply the power. We have done with settings. Now let's check for the programs. Here you see that there is no Python 3 application, so let's install it. Type sudo apt get install idle 3. Yes. Now my Python should be ready. Here you see that the Python has been installed successfully. Now let's switch the display to this 7-inch touchscreen. Let's shut down the Raspberry Pi. Unplug the power supply and HDMI. Insert the ribbon cable. and connect the power source. Here is ground, and the other one is 5 volts. Now apply the power source. Here you can see that it's functioning very well. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please don't forget to like, share and comment below. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.